size comparison to the truck. As you can see, my hand to one tire. So tell me what you got going on.
Hey y'all, it's the RC Mechanic. I got my Raminator out here.
Can you pop top for us?
Yeah, I got you. I got 2 Perfect Pass servos, 5th scale servos, 12S with the Cobra 5 HV, and I got Hyperflow's waterproof receiver box. I got the Castle 520 big block in there.
So what's this 2S LiPo for?
2S LiPo is only powering the servos. That's all it does, is power these 2 big block servos.
All right, so can you run it for us?
Yep. The truck weighs about 85 pounds.
85 pounds, y'all.
She a big girl.
But you see the size comparison towards it. I'm 6'5".